Hi guys, Jaheim Thomas wanted me to remake my video where I made a tin foil boat to carry some weight. What he's got a problem with is in the video I do the folding of the tin foil very quickly. In other words, I speeded up the video. But it is a very basic, simple bit of folding. So rather than remake the video, I'll fold up a piece of bright coloured paper. So the first thing we need to do is mark it out. Now I'm not going to use the same dimensions that I used for the boat. I'm just going to use what this piece of paper is. So it's about 11.5 inches long. So if I come in 2.5 inches at both ends, reaching round the camera to do this, so I might knock the camera or breathe heavily into it. Make the sides 2.5 inches as well. I think on the original it was 4 by 4 by 8. The dimensions are on the original video, so I'll put a link to that in the video description. But this video that I'm doing now is just to show you how to do the folding. So that's our basic shape. All we need to do is fold along the lines. Probably should have waited till the ink was dry. It's smudging a little bit while I'm doing this. So that's the 4 sides. The only thing that's even vaguely difficult is what you do in the corners. So you need the corners to come together like that, which means you're going to fold a triangle shape there. Hope that makes sense. And then you can either put a bit of sticky tape on there or a bit of glue to hold it still. So it's those edges need to line up, which means the corner becomes a triangle. I suppose I could even draw a line there, just so you can see that it's going from corner to corner across there. that really slowly. There we are, lift up the two edges, make sure that goes inside. So if I open that up, you'll see the fold has gone straight along that line, which is corner to corner. Only got one left to do. So I'll go and get some sticky tape or something just to stick that together, and that will be the finished boat as it was. To make it really simple, I've got some blue tack here, which is just sticky stuff. So put a little bit in there. There. That's that corner. In there. Stuck to my finger. Do that again. So you can do this with sticky tape or whatever you like. Because the original was made out of tin foil or aluminium foil, it was waterproof. So we then put that in water and put weight in it, because it had to carry 100 grams. We might as well go the whole way. Let's just zero my scales. Some vitamin pills here. Just happens to be 100 grams. So remember, this is only paper, so it will get wet fairly quickly. But we'll put that on there. 100 grams inside, and it's floating. And that was what the original video was about, only we used tin foil instead of paper. Job done. I just looked back at the original video and it's supposed to float 1,000 grams, not 100 grams. So I've added chopped tomatoes, they're 400 grams each, and I've put some more tablets in the vitamin pill container, so that now adds up to 1,000 grams. So we'll try it again. I don't know if it will manage because it's only paper, so it's not very stiff. To fold in at the edges, that's 400 grams. If I try and position them a bit, no, that's not going to work. Let's take it out of the water. I think that's going to be a bit too much for it because it's smaller than the original boat. Let's just try it with 800. paper's split on the bottom. So we saw it carry 400, but the paper's now given up, which is why it was tin foil originally. But you got the principle anyway.